Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Yay! So we're gonna go ahead and get into this, guys. See what I got. Kind of excited about this month, so we'll see. Galaxy Glow. I'm trying not to look what I got, but the first thing I see here are the crown brushes. Let's go ahead and check these guys out. Ooh, very soft. They're so soft. Okay, we'll go on my brush holder. Ooh. To me, these look like the Wet n Wild brushes, like completely, and like even down to like the finger grooves. Don't believe me? Here's a Wet n Wild brush. Finger groove. Here is a crown brush. Finger groove. Very, very similar. Slightly different pinks, but very similar. The crown brush is $29.99. So interesting. The next thing I see is Vintage by Jessica Lieberskind Smoky Eye Pencil Jet Black. I'm not a big fan of like pencils like this. Like, it doesn't feel like a gel liner. It's like literally a pencil liner. So interesting. I like the little rose on it though. And that is $21. Okay. $21 for a pencil eyeliner. Okay. Anyway. Next in here is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And, ooh, that's pretty. Let's see. Let's swatch it. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. That's pretty. It's an amethyst. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but it is very pretty. I might use it more as like an eyeshadow. It's probably how I'll use it. The next thing, and that is $28 for that. It is, woo, glowy. Next is the Pure Exfoliates Lips Plumping Exfoliator. This is $17. We're gonna, oh, it totally is an exfoliator now. Interesting. Tastes and smells like vanilla. Okay. I'm gonna take this off now. I wonder how this is like supposed to be plumping. I don't know. Anyway. The next thing I got in here, which I'm not exactly excited about, it's the Ofra palette with the blush. The blush is $12 and the palette is $19. I mean, it's a good value. I just have a lot of magnetic palettes. I don't know. Should I be like super excited? Let's go ahead and look at the blush though. It's a huge pan. I have a few like Ofra blushes and highlights and things. So let's look at it. Ooh. We're going to give it a swatcheroo. Swatchy swatch. And that is the blush. It's very pretty. I just hope I don't forget about it. So, there it is in the palette. Yay! So that's a pretty good value, I'd say, for a lot of their stuff. I'm going to try this more. And I'm totally going to play with that Cover FX thing. But I'm telling you, the crown brush, and this Wet n Wild brush look very similar. Very similar. That's interesting. But there you have it. There is my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much, and bye!